In this video, I'm going to help you master these functions. So the first is count, the second is CountA, and the third is CountBlank. So if you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. So now let's start. So we are going to deal with the CountA, and CountBlank. So what count does is it's going to count this row, the numbers in this row. You get it? So this row, we have 3 numbers, which is 1, 2, 3. So now let's try applying it. Equal to, and then we enter the function, which is count. Good. And then they are same values, so we are just going to use cell referencing using a range. So let's just add a range there, and you can see 3, just like I said earlier. 1, 2, 3. So count is going to count only the numbers in the row, and then CountA is going to count everything, whether it's a number or it's an alphabet, but it's not going to count a blank space. So you can see there's a blank space, right? So it's not going to count that. Let's try do that. So equal to, and we have the CountA. Good. And now let's do the same ranging thing. Good. And we have 8, and you can see we have 9 rows here. We have 9 rows here, but then it's coming out with only 8 because this is empty. And now the CountBlank is going to count only the blank spaces in the column, right? So now let's do that. So we have CountBlank. Good. And now we do the range as well. And just like you can see, we have a single empty space, so it should return 1. So that's it. Very, very simple. So that's the difference between the CountA, and the CountBlank functions on Microsoft Excel. You can use the same on Google Spreadsheet too as well. I'm going to make a video on that too. So if you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. That's it for the video. Peace.